Hi dear students, this is your mathematics class. In your earlier class, you have already learned about different types of number system. What is natural numbers? Numbers starting with 1, 2, 3, etc. These numbers are called natural numbers. Another name of natural numbers is counting numbers. Yes, counting numbers. So these numbers we use for counting something in our daily life. 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers are continuous and endless. Continuous and endless. If we add 0 to natural numbers, what will you get? S. Whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This whole numbers. Now we also use negative numbers. Negative 1, negative 2, etc. If we add negative numbers to whole numbers, what will you get? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Negative 1, negative 2, etc. These numbers are called integers. Yes, integers. 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. Now we have learned natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. What is next number? Yes, rational numbers. Rational numbers. Examples of natural numbers are, say, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, negative 1 by 5, etc. These are rational numbers. What about 2? 2 is a natural number. 2 is a whole number. 2 is an integer. We know 2 equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 1. So 2 is also a rational number. 2 is also a rational number. What is meant by rational number? Any number can be represented in the form of P by Q. Any number can be represented in the form of P by Q. P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. It is rational numbers. Rational numbers are any number can be represented in the form of P by Q. P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. Let us see how to convert rational numbers into decimal numbers. Rational numbers into decimal numbers. First we take an example. 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, subtract 0, 5 will down, 5. 2 twos are 4, subtract 1, 1 is less than 2, remainder is less than divisor, then put decimal, this 0 will down, 10, 2 5s are 10. 25 divided by 2 equal to 12.5. 12.5. Another example, 13 divided by 3. 13 divided by 3. We know 3 4s are 12. subtract 1. 1 is less than 3. Put decimal. 0 will down. 10. 3 3s are 9. 1. 1 more 0. 3. 3 3s are 9. This will repeat. 3 3 3. That is equal to 4.333 etc. That means 4.3 bar. 4.3 bar. In this, 25 divided by 2 equal to 12.5 and 13 divided by 3 equal to 4.333 etc. 25 divided by 2 equal to 12.5 in this decimal number ending. Second, 13 divided by 3 equal to 4.333 etc. That is not decimal ending. Not decimal ending. So rational numbers can be divided into two types. One is decimal ending and other is not decimal ending. Rational numbers can be divided into two types. One is decimal ending, that is called as terminating. Terminating. And second is not decimal ending, that is called as non-terminating, and the number will repeat, non-terminating and repeating. Another name is recurring. Recurring. Some more examples of terminating. 1.678, 12.31689. Examples of non-terminating and repeating. 1.32, 32 etc. 3.50, 1501 etc. Now you will listen another example. 2.67102589 etc. You can see decimal numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. These type of numbers are called as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Some more examples are root 2 is root 3. What about root 4? We know root 4 equal to 2. That is 2 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. Next, root 5 etc. These are irrational numbers. That is irrational numbers means any number cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. Cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. That numbers are called irrational numbers. Any number cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. That numbers are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating or non-recurring. What is the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers? Combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Yes, that is called real numbers. Real numbers. This is our first chapter. Real numbers. Real numbers. What is meant by prime numbers? Prime numbers. A number has only two factors are called prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These are prime numbers. We can write 2 equal to 1 into 2. Factors of 2, 1 and 2. We can write 2 equal to 1 into 2. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. 1 and same number. 5 equal to 1 into 5. Factors of 5 are 1 and same number. What is composite numbers? Composite numbers. Number has more than 2 factors. A number has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. 4 equal to 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. Factors of 4 are 1, 4 and 2. More than 2 factors. 9 equal to 1 into 9 and 3 into 3. Factors of 9 are 1, 9 and 3. Now I am going to conclude my class. Here you have a work. Distinguish between rational numbers and irrational numbers. 1.5 to 10 by 7, 3, 1.01, 0011, 000111, etc. 4, 1 by 7, 5, root 8, 6, 3.87, 6, 9, 0, 1, 2, 7, 1.12, 1, 2, 1, 2, etc. You watch this video once again carefully and write some notes. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. Answer these questions and post it in our WhatsApp group.
Thank you.